you are welcome to MA channel, MA Mathematics channel. We have continued from the last lesson of order of operation of fraction. So we look at simplify without using calculator. Let's simplify this question without using calculator. Sometimes, so let's go together. The calculator can give you straightforward answer, but if it is theory, the calculator cannot solve and give you the procedures. So first of all, we have to, the last time I told you that anytime that you have a question of this nature, make sure you convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. When converting mixed fractions to improper fractions, you multiply the denominator with the whole number and then add the numerator to it. The answer you get represents your numerator over the numerator that already exists. So in that case, we have 7 times 3. We get 21 plus 4 will give us 25 on 7 minus 3 times 1 will give us 3 plus 1, 4 on 3. Divide by 2, 5 times 2 will give us 10 plus 2, 12. 12 on 5. All over 13 on 3 minus 7 times 1, 7 plus 6, 13. 13 on 7. You have to understand the order of operation, one of the technique called Boltzmann's. So you deal with division first before subtraction. So we have division as an operation and subtraction here. So we deal with the division first before the subtraction. So in that case, we'll deal with this before we can now subtract. So 25 on 7 minus a question like this, dealing with this one, what we need to do is to change this multiplication, division sign to multiplication. While this one is changed, we reciprocate the second fraction. That means that the 5 becomes the numerator and the 12 becomes the denominator. So this will give us 4 on 3 multiplied by 5 on 12. All over 13 on 3. The denominator here, we can find our LCM, which will give us 21. Good. In finding the LCM, this is simple. In this case, you can decide to multiply the denominators because one of them is not a multiple of the other. Good. We 23 goes into 21 how many times? That is 7 times. So you take 7 multiplied by 13, you get 91. Minus, we have, how many times can 7 goes into 21? 3 times. 3 times 33, 13. So we get 39. So this is supposed to give us 25 over 7 minus, so we simplify what is inside the bracket. We now have 4 times 20. 4 times 5, that gives us 20. All over 3 times this, 36. On 91 minus 39. You have to get 52 all over 21. At this stage, we can continue, we can reduce this by 4. 4 goes into 20, will give us 5. 4 goes into this, will give us 9. Is that okay? So we now have 25 on 7 minus 5 on 9, all over 52 over 21. With this question, we can go ahead to now simplify the top and get a single fraction. 25 on 7, 5 on 9. The LCM, or the least common multiple for this, will give us 63. So 63 divided by 7, we will get 9. 9 multiplied by 25. 9 multiplied by 25, we are supposed to get 9 by 25, that gives us plus 225, minus, we have 63 divided by 9, we'll get 7. 7 times 5 will give us 35. Good. In that case, we get 225 minus 35. That will give us 190 all over 63. This one divided by 52 over 21. And this, you can write it in this form, 190 over 63 multiplied by, you change this multiplication sign to, not just division sign to multiplication, for that matter, and reciprocate the second fraction. And that gives us 21 over 52. Multiplying this one, we can reduce this. In an attempt to reduce this one, you realize that 21 into itself 1. 21 can go into 63 3 times. 52. So 52 and 90 and 190. 2 can go into this. This will give us 26. 2 go into 190, we get 95. So this one will give us, so we will have 95 times 1 all over 3 times 26. We will get 3 times 26, 3 times 6, so we get 8. 3 times this, that's, so we get 78. So if we get 78, 95 over 78, but we can write the answer in mixed fraction form because your question was in mixed fraction. So in that case, how many times can 78 goes into 95? That is 1. So this will give us one whole number 17. One whole number 17 over 78. And this becomes your final answer. Thank you very much for watching. Try your best and like my videos, subscribe and share with others so that anytime at all I upload a new video, you can get it. Also turn on the notification button. Thank you.